Hey, good morning. So we got Mac. Holy shit! Put your clothes back on. It's not a hemorrhoid check. It's a fucking hearing test.
Hearing test? What do I need a hearing test for? I can hear fine, Doc. Damn.
If I have to see another Marine's asshole today. Glad we got that out of the way. Yes, you're here for a hearing test, believe it or not.
They're on backwards, sorry.
Put your headphones on. I'll be in the other room. All you need to do is mash the button when you hear a beep. I don't care how faint it is. I don't care if you think you hear something. Just mash the button when you hear a beep. Got it?
I hear something. I hear a beep.
Would you just calm the hell down? The test ain't even started yet.
It's like a non-stop beep.
I haven't even started the test yet.
Ignore that beep. Which beep do I listen for? Oh, okay.
What's so hard to understand? If you hear a beep, hit the button.
All right, damn, dude. Why are you so angry? I thought you were a doctor.
I'm angry because every time I get a Marine in here, it's the same shit every time. You just go clacking, clacking, clacking.
That lab coat looks a little tight on you.
No one thing that ain't tight. You showed me that the first time I walked in the door.
Fuck you, bitch.
You understand I can hear everything you say in there, right?
Describe what I should be hearing. I don't hear anything. I hear you yelling at me.
You know what would make me a lot calmer? Is if you just hit that button every time you heard a beep.
I hear my deep, dark thoughts about you and what I would do to you if I got out of this chair.
Faffo, buddy.
Okay, I'm listening. I'll push it now. I don't hear anything. That wasn't a beep. Have you started the test yet?
And we're done. You failed miserably. They say education in the Marine Corps is on an 8th grade level. You, sir, I believe, are well under that.